Hey, good morning, CCA Intermediate Algebra students. Hey, I'm coming to you from the outdoors here. I'm going to see how this goes. Hopefully there's no traffic or airplanes going overhead for us. But today you're doing scale and reflect parabolas, and here we go. The first question, and I'm going to be working on right up here, is we are going to be doing this question right here. The parabola y equals x squared is scaled vertically, meaning it's going up by a factor of 5 over 2, which 5 over 2 would be a scale factor of 2.5. So what is the equation of the new parabola? This really isn't that hard, guys. Are you ready for this one? Boom. It's 5 over 2 x squared. Yeah, it's that easy. Because it's going vertically and it's going up, it's 5 over 2 x squared. It's that easy. Okay, second one though. Okay, so this one, the parabola x squared is reflected. Okay, it's not being scaled per se, it's being reflected. So that means if something is reflected, it's going the opposite direction. Okay, and it's being reflected across the x-axis and then is scaled vertically by 5. So typically if it was 5, it would be 5x squared. But because it's being reflected across the x-axis, it's now going to be opening downward. This one would be a negative 5x squared. So far, I bet you guys are going, wow, I'm going to blow through this con. And you probably should. But we got one more example to show you, which isn't terribly difficult, but let's get to it. All right, this one. We start with the normal parabola. Normal parabolas, they always start at 0, 0, and they open up normal. So you can kind of see in all 4 examples here, the blue, the F, is our normal parabola. Now, it says that we are going to be going to a g of x, which is negative 1/3 x squared. So negative means that it's going to be opening what direction? That's right, downwards. So obviously, A and B cannot be the correct answers because they're both still opening upwards. Excuse me. Also, we are now being scaled with a 1/3 factor. So remember, the bigger the number, the faster it goes up, which means the smaller the number, the slower it goes up. Okay? So just out of curiosity, if this had been a positive 1/3 here, this could not have been it because it's going up faster. Okay, which means the pink line is going up faster than the blue, so the scale factor would have to be something greater than 1. Versus this one down here, the scale factor is going up wider or less than 1. Okay, so this down here could have been a 1/3 scale. Here, you can probably tell these are the two that are being reflected across. Okay, so that's where the negative comes from. This one's a little thinner. Let's see if I can even highlight this to show you. This one is going up thinner, so it's going up faster. So that can't be the 1/3. This one here, if I can show you, is going up wider than that one. So this one is your 1/3 scale factor. So your answer for this one is letter D. Hey, this one shouldn't take you a lot of time. Have a great day today, guys, and glad I could do this from the great outdoors. Bye-bye.